No, this is all wrong. Just play along, kid. They'll never suspect a thing. I told you I'd get it back. I cannot believe this! How could you do such a thing? Look at this mess! I'm sorry, Aunt Olivia. I didn't mean to.
Leo?
What's going on? He knows exactly what he did. Mom, I didn't mean to. Olivia, tell me what happened.
He ruined it. Look at him.
It's okay, Leo.
Thanks, Dad.
You broke it, you mud-covered mess. I didn't mean to. It was an accident. No, you did it on purpose. Now you're in trouble. Dad, I didn't do it, I swear. Please, you have to believe me.
I'm not sure what to believe, Leo. This is serious.
I believe this belongs to me. That's mine.
I worked my entire life for this.
You should have thought of that before you risked everything.
Mom, stop! You idiot. Do you have any idea what you've done? Everything is gone.
Look, Dad, I'm flying. Gah.
Go, Dad, go.
Get out!
Whoa!
I said, get out! Daddy, I'm sorry. Please open the door. Don't leave me out here. I will do it. For all of us. I promise. Wow, this is the best cake ever. Buddy, do you want some? Thanks, Mia. I know, right? I love cake. Olivia, can I please have a piece of cake? I'm hungry. I do not want your dirty rock, Leo. Stay away from me. But it's for you. I said leave. Immediately. He's better than you. Am not. Are too. No way. Here, buddy. Enjoy your dinner. Eat it like a dog, Leo. Why, Olivia? Whimper. I'm just so sad. Why are we here? Whimper, whine. I have no home, no food. Leo, it's so wonderful to see you.
Arthur, Victoria, hello.
Hi, guys.
We've been looking forward to this.
Leo, what a fascinating book you have.
It looks very old, dear.
What's inside?
It's about a magical world. Look at this picture. Do you think we can change the world together?
Yes, I really do. Arthur, I want to be powerful. I want to help others.
Leo, you are my son. I'm offering you a new life, a family.
Wow. Yes, thank you, Arthur. I love you.
Excellent. We're on schedule. Prepare for arrival. Execute the command immediately. Move the funds to secure the asset. I've decided. I'm gonna buy the city. Consider it done, sir. The banks are ours, and the police are already on retainer. Buy that old house, the Smith Mansion.
The broken one? Are you sure?
Do it.
I want a Ferrari. And my designer bags. Where are my things? It's gone, sweetie. All of it. Oh, Ethan. What have you done?
I don't understand how this could have happened. Our company, everything we built, gone. Swallowed by a ghost.
No, you can't be here.
Get away from us!
Mommy?
The house is sold. Get out now! Excuse me? This is my family's home. I'm a very important person. Your importance doesn't matter. Leave!
You're nobody. A squatter! Prepare yourselves! The king of the city has arrived!
I'm here. Let's get this done.
Leo, what are you doing here? You shouldn't be here, Leo.
You said you wouldn't come back.
Leo?
I told you I'd be back.
My son! Please! Save your father!
You made your choices, Ethan. I can't help you. Do you remember the floor where you ate rice with the dog?
The dog? What are you talking about?
I trust you recognize this, Ethan.
What in the world is that?
Cold rice? Really, Leo?
Eat, Ethan. Eat, Olivia. Eat like a dog.
Leo, please, you have to forgive me. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to. Please.
You are killing a child's heart. Everything you see belongs to me now. Your house, your debt, your lives. They are all mine. I've made my decision. The terms are simple. Homelessness or servitude. The kennels await.
I accept. I'll take it. Whatever you say, just please, don't kick us out. Please, Leo.
Good. Start immediately. The dog is hungry.
Hi, everyone.
Look what we've built. I knew you could do it, son.
We're so proud of you, Leo.
I trust you, Leo. It's your city now.
Thank you, Arthur. I won't let you down. Watch me.
Leo, what will be your first law as the city's leader?
I've decided to prioritize sustainable energy initiatives to power our future. My first law will be simple and just. No one is above the law. Every child deserves a home and food. No more cold rice. No more cold rain. This is our law now. There you are, old friend. Still enjoying the sun, huh? You're my only friend, buddy. But I promise, I'll be a friend to everyone. I know, Leo.
The city may be dark, but I am the light. I will be the judge against the unfairness.
I know it might seem difficult now, but I truly believe you're capable of achieving amazing things. Keep pushing forward. I know things can be tough, trust me, I've been there. But you can't give up. My story proves that. Don't let anything hold you back. Their story isn't over. No child should ever be invisible again.
Keep this for me, little guy. Okay.
What happened? Who stole it? Who stole it?